Hey guys, I'm back with another YouTube video. So today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh. So first of all, you have to get out the flour. And I have a tap there. So all you need is a cup of flour into the bowl. Half cup of salt. I just did a quarter cup because last time I made it, half cup was way too much. Into the bowl. And now you just mix in a tiny bit of water every time. I'll come back when it's done. So I've now made the dough and now I'm going to get out all the colouring. Okay, so I've done all the colours and I have two reds because I'm going to make that pink and then mix in some of the blue. Okay, I'll come back after I've made them all. You might need to put on gloves because this might happen. Okay, so I have knead them all to this colour and I have them from earlier over here and I'm going to put them all together. Okay, so these are all the colours and I feel like very different in colour, like especially these two and the yellows. I think that is because for this, the reds and the orange, I used the pantry one and I would recommend getting the pantry one other than this one, which is Goodall's or something, I don't know. So I'd recommend getting the pantry one instead because it seems a lot more vibrant, and for this yellow I had to put in 3 layers and it was still really bad. This yellow I had to put in 5 layers. Then I had to put in like loads of layers I don't even know, and this I just had to mix loads in red and blue, and like it came out really red, and then I mixed in the blue and it was like really bad. So yeah, I'd recommend getting the pantry instead of Goodall's. Oh my god, my voice. Okay. So I'm going to put these all together and I'll show you at the end. Okay, so I didn't like the non-vibrancy of some of the colors, so I've added red to that, yellow to that, and green to that, and I'm still going to do the blue because I don't really like pastel colors. Well, I do, but not for Play-Doh, and my hands are a bit messy. But yeah, so I'm going to add some blue and then I'll get back to you. So I've finished all the colours and I've done the blue. I don't see the difference in it, to be honest, but I don't know, maybe it worked. Anyway, I'll put the person that I got this from, his name up here, because and I'll go look it up now. So I'll put it up here and then, yeah. And if you don't have any food coloring, you can just leave it without the food coloring and leave it white Play-Doh. It's just as fun to use. And to store it, you'll need an airtight container or else it'll go all dry. But if it does go dry, you can just add in a bit of water. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you are notified every single time I post a new video. Bye!